Today we're in the beautiful neighborhood of the Fairview Kingsdale area of Kitchener with our newest listing here at 179 Traynor Avenue. This 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully renovated semi-detached home is sure to please. I can't wait to show you around. Renovated kitchen, quartz countertops, new flooring. Let's go on inside so I can show you the many reasons why this could be your next home. This home offers extreme multifamily dwelling options. You're just steps away from the bustling Fairview Park Mall, the transit hub, including the light rail transit, easy access to the Highway 401 and other major routes, not to mention nearby Wilson Park and Greenfield Park, making this a vibrant community. If you're still looking for that first-time buyer or investment opportunity, this could be the one. If you know anyone looking for a home in this neighborhood, connect them with the Riz team. For details on this home, visit the website link below. For all of our other great homes, check us out on social media, and remember, don't put it on hold. Call the Riz team to get it sold.